Hello fellow Minecrafters, this is Minecraft Super Admin. I'm here to make another video for the Bukkit scripts. This is an updated video with more capabilities. I'll explain them here in a second. Okay, so let's get to the business here. If you do like my videos and the scripts I've created, you are more than welcome to donate to me through this link right here. Just go to the channel, it's in the top right. There's a little link that says donate. Just click it, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Okay, we'll be posting a lot more videos on many ways to automate your server and how to configure different types of servers. And if you have requests, questions, I'll take those as well and create a video tutorial for you and the rest of the world on how to do it. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much. Now let's get back to the scripts. Okay, the capabilities of this specific Bukkit script are these. Auto reboot within game. What that means is if you're playing the game and you're an op, you can just type in /stop. It'll stop the server, it will wait a few seconds, and it'll start it back up without you going to the console or anything. It'll just do it. Okay, next thing is you can schedule notifications of backups to players. This means the script will actually type out a message and send it through the console so the players can see, saying, hey, the server's about to shut down in about 5 minutes because of backups. And then it will, notify them at 1 minute, at 30 seconds, and until it actually shuts down. Okay, so once it does that, it will create an auto backup. It will actually back it up to from the source directory to a target directory. And it will do it every single day, and it will name the folder the current date, so you can have as many as you want, those backups. Another feature is auto backup cleanup. What that means is in the script there, by default it's set to 7 days of backups, so anything older than 7 days it will delete in the backup folder. This helps you to prevent running out of space on your hard drive due to too many backups. Some people will have like a year worth of backups, which is totally unnecessary. So you can change that in the script as well to whatever you want. Put 14 days or 365. It's up to you. Okay. Next thing is the script has the ability to update to the newest version of 64-bit Java. Okay, this stops hackers from using Java exploits that are usually found in older versions of Java. So what I've seen before is people fail to update their Java when the newest version comes out and they end up getting hacked. Not fun. So this is a new feature that I added in. It's very cool. It'll delete every single version of Java on your computer from your control panel and install. It'll actually go and download the newest version and install it for you automatically before it starts the server. Okay, next thing the scripts will do is it'll auto update to the newest version of Craft Bukkit, the Spigot version. Why Spigot? Because Spigot, even though it's Craft Bukkit, it'll actually have the newest version of Minecraft compared to Craft Bukkit dev versions. For example, right now it's 1.78, and if you go to the Craft Bukkit website, they're not there yet. They're at 1.75, I think. But Spigot comes out as soon as the newest version of Minecraft comes out. So if you want for your users to have the ability to connect to your server right away as a Bukkit server, this is your answer right here. Okay, and it'll download the newest version every day. Save you a lot of headaches, and your people won't go, hey, you need to update the server, blah blah blah. You don't have to worry about it. It'll do it itself. Okay, now I'm out of that. No lag code. Okay, this script has a specific Java switches to help you eliminate any possible lag on your server, and it only uses 4 gigs of RAM. Yes, 4 gigs of RAM for as many people as you want to play on your server. And I will show you that code inside the scripts. Okay, so let's get to the setup portion. This is the fun part. You can either get wget. This is wget. You can either get it from the developers here, or you can just go to my Dropbox link here and download all the scripts and that included. Okay, up to you. So first thing we'll do is we'll create or and download scripts from my Dropbox here, because I'm going to do that option. And you can see there's my Dropbox. Just follow that link just to show you that this does work. Okay, I'm going to go here. Let's see, did I already have it here? Oh yeah, I do. So there's the link right there. I'm just going to paste it in here, paste and go. And you can see there's different types. You can do craft bucket, FTB. I just did this one. I'm still working on that one. You'll see a video come out for this as well. This is a very cool mod. Okay, so go ahead and download everything for craft bucket, and whatever you download, it's going to look like this. So copy all of this that you just downloaded, and let's put it in your server folder that you want. I just put one on my desktop called Minecraft. It's blank. Paste it in here, and that's it. So let's see the next portion. Let's configure your Windows Firewall. I just have it disabled. Why? Because my router takes care of all the firewall issues, so I don't really need double protection. But if you're paranoid or you just want the peace of mind, I'll show you how to configure your Windows Firewall to let Minecraft through. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, go to Start. You go to Control Panel. Okay, you're probably going to see this at first. Most people will see this. So to get there, all I do is change this category to large icons or small icons. Doesn't matter. Scroll all the way down. You'll see this Windows Firewall. Click it. See, mine's disabled. And you will have to click Advanced Settings to set up yours. Okay, so people are going to be trying to connect in to your server. Okay, so that's an inbound rules. So that's click on this inbound rules. Let's see if I have Minecraft there. I think I do. I have to delete it if it's here. Yeah, see that? I have to remove that. So I'm going to get rid of this so I can show you how to set it up. Okay, so you have inbound rules, and then all you have to do is click New Rule. Okay, so you select port. Next. You leave TCP there, specific port. Minecraft uses this port, 25565 by default. So put that in, click Next. Allow the connection, next. Leave this default, next. Name it to whatever you want. I just put Minecraft server. Okay, done. That's it. It's done. So that's all you have to do to forward it. Close this stuff. Okay, next thing. Configure your router for port forwarding to your computer. Okay, so here's how you do that. First of all, you will have to type ipconfig right here and press enter, and your computer will give you the local IP address. Mine is .212 right here. See that? So you have to go to your router. I'm going to do that right now. Log back in, and hold on a second. Okay, so your router should look something like this. You can find something that says under WAN, virtual server port forwarding. There it is, and make sure you fill yours out to look something like this. The main part is that port right there. I have more than one server, so I run multiples to the same IP, and then whatever you got out of here, make sure it goes in here. Okay, and this will forward all traffic that is aimed at port to this IP, where your server is running, so people can connect to your server. Okay, click apply, and you're done. All right, next. Let's configure the scripts. Yeah, this is the fun part right here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so you just double click on your server folder that you copied these in, and let's right click on the first one, auto backup. Edit. You will have to do is change actually just this, you know what the source drive is. You can check right here. Let's see, since we have our Minecraft. Oh, sorry, wrong one. What's that? Right here. If you click here, it shows you C drive and the source folder where all your stuff's at. Okay, so you can copy it, and well, actually, you just need to put the C in here because it's the C drive here. Okay, you don't have to do anything here because it already says this stands for current directory. So wherever this script is at, it's gonna use that as its current folder source, which is correct. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Now the last two is this. You have to put the target drive and the target folder, which mine is Dropbox, just in case of a nuclear disaster. Your friends can still set up your server and run it. Okay, so right here, I still have it open. Backups, yeah, do. Okay, so right there, click on it. That's where I got that from. Okay, copy and paste that from here to here, and make sure it says the same drive letter. And that's it. Okay, another thing to note. Here's your 7 days worth of backups that it cleans up. If anything older than 7 days, it's going to delete in that destination folder, so you don't run out of space. Cool stuff. You can change this to whatever you want. 14 days if you want 14 days worth of backups. 365, up to you. Okay, that's it. That. Let's see. Let me minimize all this stuff so you don't get confused. This one you don't really have to do anything, but I'll just show you what it is. Good stuff. And jam that. This one you don't have to really worry about. Just make sure this is the same as the actual title and the start server script. Okay, I'll show you what that is. Remember, Minecraft server watchdog. And here's the main script. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, nothing. You just got to make sure. Remember the Minecraft server watchdog. Or is that the title? No, that's not the title. The title you're looking for is it? Yeah, I think that is it. I'm sorry. Yes, that is the title, same as the one here. Right there. Okay, this got to match. Why? Because this script's going to look for that title to activate the window so it can start typing these messages in. Okay, so your users can see it. That's it. Okay, I'm going to close that. Here's your anti-lag code. I'll explain a little bit later. Or now. Okay, so this right here, pretty much all you need is 4 gigs of RAM, really, dedicated to your Minecraft server. But this prevents all the lag. This took me forever to figure out. Okay, so these are the Java switches that I was talking about. Okay, cool. That's it for that one. And you don't have to do anything here, but I'll show you what it is. It's just uninstalls anything starting with a certain name, like Java. That's what it's for. It's to uninstall every version of Java on your server from control panel. So that's done. I think the next portion is configure task scheduler, so let's do that. Okay, go to start, go to all programs, accessories, system tools, task scheduler. Okay, this pops open. Make sure you click task scheduler library. This will actually show you all the goodies. Make it big. Okay, here just click create task. We're going to make one to for boot up or log on when your server first turns on. Okay. Right here. Minecraft server in. Run only when the user is logged on. Run with highest privilege. Windows 7 or whatever you're using. Windows 8. Click new here on triggers. When do you want it to start? This one's going to be at log on, and you just click OK. Or you can specify the user if you want. If you have only one user, don't really have to worry about that. But I specify mine because that's what mine looks like. Okay. Okay. Actions. This is what actually starts the server. So you click New, click Browse here, and point to the server start.bat right there. Okay. So it will look something like this. Okay. Server start. I'll just double click it, say no. Then make sure you copy this path right here. Copy and paste it into here. Okay, because this tells it where to start the script. You want it to start in the same folder that the script's at. Okay, okay, you're done. These are defaults. You don't have to do anything. Just click OK. You're done. Okay, that's to start up the server when the computer boots up. Okay, this one is for backups. Okay, so again, create new task. It's blank, so let's make it look like this. Put Minecraft backups or whatever you want. Run only when user is logged on. Run with highest privilege, Windows 7 or whatever you're using. Okay, this one, create new. You'll want a daily. Just click daily and then choose what time you want the server to, the backups to run. Okay, right there. And that'll be it. Okay, so that's what mine is. Okay, it's set to 1:42 in the morning. Done on schedule. Just click OK. Actions. Again, you can click new, and when you do that, just click browse and point to the backup.bat. Okay, right there. You want it to start in the same folder where the batch file is located. So just copy this path, paste it in here. Okay, and that's it. You're done. That portion of creating the script is done. So now I'm going to show you how this looks when you run it and what it does. Okay, so Minecraft server. Okay, pretend we just booted up the computer, let the server start up. Bam! Okay, first thing it does, it uninstalls your Java. If you have any old versions, it will remove it. This is to prevent hackers from exploiting older versions of Java. So it will uninstall your Java. Then it will automatically download the newest version from Java website. That's what it's doing right now. Now it's silently installing it. See, it just downloaded the executable. Very cool. This happens really fast. There you go. It's done. Now it's downloading the newest version of Spigot. Okay, which is the same thing as CrapBucket. It just renamed it to crapbucket.jar. And now it just started the server, and you'll see the whole thing start populating. You know, all the server stuff that usually happens when you first run CrapBucket. There you go. You see the spawn area created, and it's almost done. Bam. And the server's back up. Okay, to stop the server, all you have to do is type in stop. Press enter, and it will start pinging itself. And when you see the pings, that means you can just click the X on top right here, or you can do Control-C. So I'm going to show you. Stop, saving the world, blah, blah, blah. Now it starts pinging itself. You see that? All you have to do is do Control-C or click X. I'm going to do Control-C. Ask you want to terminate. Click yes, enter. Now you can work on your plugins, you know, configure them, do whatever you want to your server. And then when you're done, you can just double click this, okay, and it'll start everything back up. Okay, now that you see how it automatically reboots, let me show you how it does the backups. Okay, so to back up, just double click this, or you can simulate it as though it's happening at 1:42 in the morning. I'll just simulate it. Okay, what it will do is it will bring this window in front. Again, you cannot have this window minimized when the backups run. So make sure when you before you go to bed, this is up, either behind something or in front, it doesn't matter, as long as it's not like that. Don't do that. Don't minimize it. Okay, unless you're gaming and you know, it's during the day, not right before your backup. Just before you back up, make sure it's up. Okay, they can be behind. I'm going to simulate that. Okay, run. Bam. You see the script just threw it right in the front, and right here you can see it said, hey, you got 5 minutes left, and the server's going to reboot because of backups. Okay, I'm going to pause this and show you what happens after when you have only 30 seconds left. Okay, so we're back. It's got almost 30 seconds left. You're going to see that 30 seconds message. You see that 1 minute message that it's sent to the server. This is what happens right before. This is what your users see right there in purple. Okay, while they're playing. So it gives them a warning and it tells them, hey, to reboot 5 minutes. There you go. You see it? It just sent the 30 seconds thing. And it says, please log off, because I'm going to shut down in 30 seconds. And then watch what happens at 10 seconds. Here we go. Bam. Now it starts counting down. 10, 9, 8, and tells you, hey, we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay? See that? Very awesome. I love this part of the script. So your users have no excuse, and they have trust in your server that you're going to be notifying. There you go. I'm shutting down now. Bam, server went down. It does its ping thing. Okay, and now check this out. It'll do a Control-C here in a second. Should. There it is. It does a Y, it presses enter, it stops it, then it does the whole, hey, it just backed up the whole server, then it just, right here you see -7, that means it's looking for 7 days worth of backups and removing them. It does the cleanup, and there we go. It starts all over again at the starting up the server with downloading the newest Java, installing it, blah blah blah, downloading the newest craft bucket, actually spigot, but it's the same thing. And I mean, it takes care of all the admin stuff, irritating stuff that you would have to deal with right off your plate. Very cool automated script. And it cleans up after itself too. Okay, and I'll show you where the backups are, what they look like. I think it's right here, backups. Notice, look at that. It makes a folder named current date and puts everything in there. Look at that. Whole copy of your world right here. Your world, all the files, your plugins, everything. It takes everything out of that directory and makes a copy of it. Does it every day up to 7 days. Okay? Very awesome. So, and let me show you this portion, the auto backup. I forgot to show you this. Okay, you see this -7. You can change that to 14 if you want. 14 days worth of backups to be kept on the server, or however amount. Okay, I recommend 7. You don't need any more than that, honestly, unless you want to. Okay, so that's it. Server's back online. Everything was backed up. Life is good, and I think we're done. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. All right, take care.